Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes po, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes po, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No po, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body? Sorry, can you repeat?
I'm healthy po, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay po.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes po, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No po, ma'am. I'm ex-abroad.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong?
I want to explore the country, ma'am.
You want to explore other country.
Yes po, ma'am.
All right. So can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, Good day. My name is Gloria C. Caton Posadas. I'm single. I'm 30 years old this April 2. I have no children and I'm from Iloilo, Concepcion, Philippines.
All right. So Gloria, I need to know some few more details from you first. How old are you again?
I'm 35 years old,
Are you single or married?
single.
You have boyfriend, husband, living partner?
I have a boyfriend.
When is your birthday again?
April 2,
What year?
1990.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 60 kilogram and my height is 149.86.
So 150.
Yes po.
Okay, what is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
Yes po,
What
ma'am.
what is your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes po, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
6. I'm youngest.
How many brother and sister do you have?
Two brothers and two two brothers and four sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
Yes po, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
I'm youngest.
You are the youngest. What about your parents?
My parents is uh sila in my house, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 72 years old. My mother is 62 years old. My mother is a housewife, and then my father is fisherman.
All right. So you mentioned that this is not your first time working abroad, right? In which country you have your first working experience?
Saudi Arabia, ma'am.
How many years you worked there?
2 years and 7 months.
What year did you started and what year did you finish your contract?
My first employer is started is November 24th, 2019. My
And
finish is 2022, July 4.
all right. So what is your job responsibilities inside the house?
Excuse me, ma'am. Pardon.
What is your
Again.
job responsibilities inside the house?
I took care of 4 babies, ma'am.
How old are those children?
6 years old, 4 years old, 1 month, 1 year and 7 months old.
Okay. Are you the only helper inside the house or do you have companion?
I'm only one, ma'am.
Okay, so while taking care of these children, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, after 2000, what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I'm just rest. I go back Philippines in 2022. Then I go back again in Saudi Arabia in 2023
Until?
October.
Until?
October until October 2020.
So you worked October 2023 until October 2025 also in KSA.
Yes po, ma'am.
You finish your 2 years contract also.
Yes po, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
I'm took care of elder,
How old is the elderly you take care?
64 years old. She's
Female or male?
female po.
Female bedridden.
Oh, male po, male. Sorry po.
Male bedridden.
Yes po.
Okay, you focus on taking care of the elderly or you do house chores also at the same time?
Do house clean, cook, ironing, and washing clothes.
Okay, so
Clean.
what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Just finish my contract. Then I want to explore to other country po, ma'am.
All right. So I would like to let you know that working in Middle East and Malaysia is quite different. Houses here is quite big. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. So you need to be flexible, do the multitasking, and you need to expect those unexpected things because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes po, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes po, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes po, ma'am.
Alright, this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Middle East. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency has nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Alright? And
Opo, ma'am.
also usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes po, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine. You can come work properly. If you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes po, ma'am.
All right. So remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family also at the same time. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes po, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes po, ma'am. Okay pa.
Thank you so much and have a good day.